Thank you and welcome to Pagans Beauty. Today it's all about elegant hairstyling. Start off with a ponytail and leave some of the front part out. Loosen up the ponytail and we're going to flip it inside out to the left. With the hair that was left out in the front, we're going to start a 3-strand braid. Just braiding about 3 to 4 times. Now grab 1/2 inch of hair from the ponytail and braid it into the current braid. This is a great visual to follow. We're going to use all the hair. This hairstyle looks so complicated, but in actuality, it's so easy. I know you can do it. Now, as you've gotten to this point, pull out some of the hair strands of the braid to the right. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy out here. This is forming a really cool braid right now. It's only going to get better after we use all the hair to form the braid. I am so loving the way it's looking right now. Family, if you haven't already liked, commented, and subscribed, go ahead and do that at this very moment. Also, don't forget to share the video. Now that we've finished up the braid, we're gonna roll up the braid into like a flower form. Secure the beautiful flower with bobby pins. Pure perfection is reached. Thank you, family, for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment your favorite part, and ring the bell so you will not miss any future videos. Until next time.